going? It's Janie over here at JaniesSweets. Welcome back to my channel. I want to take this opportunity to wish every single one of you a very happy and healthy new year. I hope that this year is filled with lots of love, lots of success, and everything that you try to accomplish either in your personal life but also in your business life. So I really hope that 2021 turns out to be a great year for every single one of you. I also want to thank all of you guys who have stuck with me through 2020 or throughout the years. Really from the bottom of my heart, thank you, and welcome to anyone who is new. As you guys know, I always do this at the end of every year. I do kind of like a recap of last year and also what you can expect differently on the channel, if anything, going forward. So without further ado, let's get started with this topic. So looking back at 2019, a lot of you guys have really enjoyed my Friday Fixes content, and I know I say this every year, but guys, the numbers do not lie. You guys really seem to enjoy it. Those are the videos that get the most views, the most likes, the most comments and shares, so those videos are not going anywhere. I am still going to provide you guys as much Friday Fixes content as I possibly can. Please bear with me. Just know that I'm really trying to pump these videos out, but I also don't want to like put out a video just to put it out. I want to make sure that the subject is really something that will be beneficial to you, something that either I struggled with when I first started or something that you guys seem to repetitively keep asking me either in my DM or in my comments on YouTube. So those videos are gonna keep coming. Just be patient and bear with me. I do have a couple of them lined up that I want to talk about in 2021, but keep sending me questions because those are giving me great Friday Fixes ideas. As far as other content that I'm going to be putting up on YouTube, just know that I am going to continue doing a couple of decorating videos here and there. They're not going to be too many, only because I noticed that I've been really lacking in my skills, if that makes sense. Like, I'm kind of stuck in what I know how to do. As you guys know, I'm really focusing on teaching and not so much on creating things for clients, so I'm not really experimenting or trying out new designs. So what I want to do this year is really start pushing my limits, because I really miss that. I miss being creative and creating cakes. So I want to start pushing my limits and start creating kind of like show-stopping cakes, if that's the word that I want to use here. Like, I'll insert pictures so you guys can get an idea of what I'm talking about. I want to create cakes that are like breathtaking, like either standing on one side, leaning, or like dangling off of something, like gravity defying kind of cakes. I really want to start doing that. So because they are going to be new to me, I don't know if I'm gonna be able to record them and show it to you guys as like a teaching thing, but maybe in a time lapse. I don't know yet what I'm going to do with that, but only time will tell. But just know that some of these videos may or may not be coming your way. Speaking of being different and trying out different things, another thing that I want to try to do on this channel is to create more friendly, lighthearted content. Now, don't worry, I'm not going to become one of those channels that is like, creating just stupid trends all the time. Like, I do want to keep teaching and bring valuable information to you guys, but I also want to have fun. So things like turning a wedding cake or turning a grocery store cake into a wedding cake, those trends like that, like the chocolate bomb bandwagon, I didn't really hop on that. Like, I don't know why, there's something about me that hates following the crowd. If everybody likes a movie, I will go out of my way not to watch the movie only because everybody likes it. I don't know why I'm like that. Like, it has nothing to do with how good or bad the movie is. It's just that because everybody's talking about it, I won't watch it. Like Avatar, I think I watched it, like everyone and their mom was talking about it when it came out, and I think I watched it like 5 years later. Like, I'm like that. I don't know why. So I want to try to not be that way when it comes to, like, you know, creating content for you guys. I want to do the fun challenges and tags that are floating around. So you can expect a couple of these coming on to the channel. Another thing that is super excited is this past year I have made so many cake friends, like so many friends in this community, that I want to share their knowledge with you guys. Like, I'm gonna have a lot of guest appearances. I already have 3 people that agreed to come on and talk to you guys. I mean, COVID is still a thing, so it is going to be virtual. However, I'm super excited to have them, you know, just talk, or either on the Friday Fixes, or they might teach you like a skill or two, who knows. So expect for me to bring on my friends, to do a lot more collaborations with people. I'm really super excited about that. So yeah, we'll see how that whole thing goes. I'm hoping to at least have somebody talk or do a collaboration or something once a month. Another kind of videos that you guys can expect on the channel are branded content, sponsored videos, or affiliate products. I am super excited to start doing this. I mean, I feel like an official YouTuber when I'm like, so thank you to blah 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 for sponsoring today's video. This is really a dream come true to me, or for me. Just so you guys know, that goes without saying. If you guys know anything about me, none of the stuff that I will ever be talking about or sharing with you guys are things that I completely hate, or have not tried myself, or have not, you know, would not have talked to you guys about without even getting paid for. So I'm gonna be doing some product reviews, different tools and whatnot. Not every single one of them will be paid. Some of them like will be like genuinely like, hey, like this is a cool new tool and I want to try it out and see if it works. And others will be sponsored, and of course I will let you guys know when it is sponsored, so you guys can trust my reviews because they will be genuine. With all that being said, the last thing is the scheduling of those videos. I am going to try to stick to the every Friday schedule that I tried to stick to last year. But just so you know, the kind of videos that you're going to get may be me sitting in my kitchen with no makeup on. I'm gonna try to schedule them out and film them accordingly. But you guys know that I have 2 kids, well, not under 2 because my son is 2 already, but 2 kids that are like 2 years and under, and they suck the life out of you. Like, they're amazing. If you follow me on Instagram, like, you see I post videos of them all the time and pictures of them all the time. They're like the cutest things, but they do take a lot of effort. And by the end of the day, I'm completely drained. So I don't know how the style of the videos are going to be. Maybe they'll make a couple cameos here and there, who knows. So just so you know, I'm gonna try to stick to my Friday schedule, and I am also gonna try to, you know, look professional for you guys, but life happens, and if 1 or 2 children pop in on videos, I hope you don't mind. So with all that being said, you guys, happy 2021. I'm excited for this new year. Like I said, I'm wishing you guys nothing but the absolute best. I really truly care about every single one of you who write me, DM me, comment, take the time to say something to me. Really does mean a lot. So I am truly trying to still reply to every single comment and every single DM. I am getting a lot more than I'm used to, so it may not be super spontaneous, but I am gonna really do my best to try to reply to every single one of you guys, whether it's, you know, to give you a heart or blow you guys a kiss or say thank you, whatever the case may be, or answer your question. I'm gonna try to do that. With all that being said, 2020 is gone. whatever happened in that year stays in that year, whether it's in your personal life or in your business life. And now let's move on to 2021 and let's kill it. So you guys, I love you. I really truly appreciate every single one of you guys. I'm gonna hop right after this and film my dream board for 2021, or goals board, vision board, whatever you want to call it. That video will be up next week, so I hope you guys, you know, watch it and enjoy it, and it gives you a little bit of inspiration to create your own. Yes, so I love you guys. I will see you in the next video.